So you're thinking of moving to Anaheim. In fact, you're thinking, maybe I'll buy a new home in Anaheim. Well, in this video, we're going to take you by 3 homes, 3 floor plans of a new development that we've toured. Stick around to the end. It's not only we take you all through all the homes, we're going to driving through the community. Hi, if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. If you want to know everything there is to know about living, working, playing, owning a home in Irvine, California today, we're in Anaheim. Do us a favor, like our videos. It helps our algorithm. Subscribe, click the bell for notifications so we can notify you the next time we post a market update on Irvine, California, and of course Anaheim and Santa Ana, Huntington Beach, Newport Beach. We make a lot of videos. Hi, my name is Bruce Clark. I've been a real estate agent for 17 years, and every day we get phone calls, emails, text messages from people just like you that are looking to make a move to the area. So if you're looking to make a move next 5 days, 50 days, or even further out, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. Love to help you make this move to Irvine, California, and Anaheim today, and surrounding community. We're in Anaheim, and we're in a new development. Really nice homes. They are anywhere from around 900,000 up to a little bit over $1 million. Now, there are some condos, or some townhouses that are anywhere in around the $800,000 range. So figure $800,000, a little bit over $1 million. You go to a little bit over 2,000 square feet, so they're good size. Now these are 4 levels. You have 3 levels of living. On the top level, you have an observation deck, and you have great city light views. Watch our video. You'll see the views. These are new homes that are near the Vive, which is a new development by Samueli, and it's going to be a $3 to $4 billion development. You're going to have tons and tons of entertainment. You're going to have commercial. You're going to have just lots of things, lots of shopping, lots of neat things. The Samuelis own the Anaheim Ducks, sorry, because the Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim is on the other side of the street, so to speak, of the freeway. So it's near the Anaheim Duck Stadium. And that's what the Samuelis own, the Ducks. So we get all these people mixed up sometimes. But it's a really nice development. And the HOA is going to be at build out about around $116 a month. Right now it's $150 a month. There's no mellow roofs, which is good. But again, now they're 4 levels. And then what we've seen is a lot of the builders now they're needing to build more vertical because there's just not a lot of land. There's nice amenities. You've got a pool. You're going to have a clubhouse. You have lots of things, but you're near lots of things also because you're in Anaheim. So you're not far from freeways, you're not far from lots of other entertainment. It's really centrally located. And what we think is that this is going to be kind of the blueprint going forward with a lot of the builders and developers. So stay with us. Hey, to it right now. So this is a plan 1, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 1,881 square feet. And you'll be under $1 million. Toll Brothers, beautiful. So you walk in, you have a downstairs bedroom, just like we did in the 3rd. So again, another 3/4 bath, 2-car garage. Our kitchen, everything's on the 2nd level. So follow me up. Let's go. All right. So here we're on 2nd level. Really nice open floor plans. You have a nice little terrace or balcony off the living space. On plan 2, you have one on both sides. But it's a nice open. You've got family room / living room. You've got a dining area, big Caesar stone quartz island, easily sit around. Almost like a farmhouse sink, but a lot of counter space, a lot of cabinet space too. Really like this. Love what they've done here with the pendant lighting, and you've got stainless steel appliances. The whirlpool. You've got a 5-burner. Here you've got this is for a griddle, so perfect. Kids love pancakes, popcorn too, big pancakes. Perfect for that. So here's a half bath on the 2nd level. Let's go upstairs. Just toilet. Okay, so here we are in level 3. Now we have more bedrooms. Now what's neat about this bedroom, so you've got you have dual sinks, good sized walk-in closet, and you have a good sized shower. 3/4 bath. This is the main bedroom and the master bedroom. Full house audio, same thing. You've got recessed lighting, nice casings on the windows, as you can see. Of course, the dual pane. Really like the look. Toll Brothers. Let's go this way. Coming this way, this is en suite. So you have Here you've got let me show you this. Got a nice walk-in closet. It's kind of like a junior suite. Good sized bedroom, high ceilings, and you've got sprinkler system, and most new homes come with sprinkler systems now, certainly in California. And you have your own bathroom here. It's en suite. So this is a little different than we've seen certainly in Plan 1 and in Plan 3. Not all of them had that. It's nice, good size. And it's a full bath because it has tub and shower. That's kind of the definition of a full bath. And here, Plan 3, remember, if you stay with us, Plan 3 has a full size, and they're next to each other. Here they're stacked. So still full size. Let's go up to the top level. Okay, so now we're upstairs. Plan 3, they all have rooftop decks. They're really nice. Beautiful views, good size. You can do a lot of things up here. I would imagine people are going to put fitness equipment and probably have some really nice parties up here. Social gatherings. You have just fantastic view, and you can almost hear the change that's coming to Santa Ana and Anaheim, and we've seen it. There's just so much land. Stay with us. All right, so here we are going in Plan 2. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a little bit over 1,900 square feet. Downstairs bedroom, a lot of value in downstairs bedrooms. Gotta love those. 3/4 bath. You don't have a tub. You have a shower. So that's the definition. 2-car garage. Closet. Could be linen storage. 2, but it's a closet. Let's go upstairs. So here we are on the second level. This is a Plan 2. We had an open house today, and there's a lot of goodies left over. Get really nice countertops, a lot of good space. You've got a 5-burner stove, so you have the high heat, and you've got the center, put a griddle on there. Nice cabinet. You have more Toll Brothers. What's neat about this, so you've got big open space. Oh, little terrace. Always nice to have. Great SoCal weather. Open that. Not a lot of bugs. What's neat about this though is they hid the half bath over here. Very different. I like that. Kind of tucked it away. Sold a home in Los Angeles on White Knoll. Literally overlooks Dodger Stadium, and that's what they did. They tucked it away. I think that's really neat. But it's a lot of neat space. So not only did you have a balcony off the kitchen, you also have a balcony off the living room. A lot of outdoor space. Grab a cup of coffee, glass of wine if you want, cup of coffee, enjoy. Let's go up to 3rd level. All right, so here we are on the 2nd level, or sorry, 3rd level. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. So here's your upstairs bathroom. It's a shared bathroom. Yeah, it's full. It's a full bathroom because you have a tub. Here's your laundry. So it's stackable. And this is a Plan 2. Let's go in here. Bedroom. Then you have recessed lighting. You've got sprinklers, dual pane windows. I feel like the casing is very nice. And here's bedroom. Here's another bedroom. So this is bedroom 3. Let's go to the master. So here we are. So they've added plantation shutters. Most time builders they're just not going to give you things. So, but nice ceiling. You have again the whole house audio, which is what you pay for. But they have, but again, we're seeing a lot of builders adding a lot of ventilation. We like that. So again, you have sprinkler system, and in here, good size bathroom. You don't have a tub, so it's 3/4, but you do have a good size shower. Then you have the quartz, which is Caesar stone, but you have the 2 sinks. Good amount of counter space, like that. Half bath, and then you have a walk-in closet. Stay with us. We're going to take you to the top. All right, here we're at the top, and another rooftop deck. We love these rooftop decks. You can hear things. You can kind of sense what's going on. Again, you're not far from the $3 billion to $4 billion development by the Samuelis. So you're gonna be close to, oh my gosh, just crazy amount of things with shopping, entertainment. They're gonna have commercial. The Viv Hotel is just down there. You can see you've got Yeah, palm trees. This is Anaheim. Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim. Definitely you can see the fireworks as they're playing. So it's a lot to like here. Stay with us. We're on to home number 3. So here I'll walk into a Plan 3. We're on 100 West, Toll Brothers development. And I'll tell you, some really nice features of this home. Let's step in. So you have 3 to 4 bedrooms. You have 3.5 baths, 2,071 square feet. A little bit over $1,089,000 is what they're pricing it at. But there are some interesting loan concessions and things. So you have a downstairs bedroom. So you have a good sized downstairs bedroom and this big bathroom. That's 3/4. You don't have a tub. That's sizable. Look at that. Love the colors. 2-car garage. Here's your linen storage. Good sized linen storage. Goes back a ways. You never have too much storage. Let's go to the second level. All right, so here we're in the second level. Open floor plan. A nice family/living room. You have a nice balcony here. And what's neat is, since you're near the Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim Stadium, you can see and hear the fireworks. So a lot of neat things. Look at that view. This is going to be spectacular. In 2,071 square feet. So it opens up. You have your dining area. As you can see, you have nice Caesar stone. A lot of counter space, which we like. Nice cabinets. There's a German manufacturer that makes cabinets just like this. Stainless steel appliances. But again, a lot of space here, and a walk-in pantry. Brothers. Let's go see the other 3 bedrooms. Let's go. All right, so here we are in the 3rd level. Come up, you have a nice family room, little entertaining area, always nice. You have a full bath. As you can see, it has a tub, so good amount of space there. You could add some additional storage. You have Caesar stone counters. Let's take a walk this way. Another bedroom. And here's the master or main bedroom. Whole house audio, beautiful recessed lighting. Whole house audio will cost you more, but good size, 2,071 square feet. They're going vertical, and that's the way that we saw yesterday. We toured some homes in Santa Ana, and the builders just go vertical because of the amount of land that the lack of land here in Orange County to build. Nice Caesar stone. You've got a big shower. You have your half bath here. There's a walk-in closet. So we can easily help you with organizers. So let's go this way. To the right, we have, they do have, some of the other units have stackable. Here they have full size in your laundry room. It's nice that it's upstairs, just off the bedrooms. And the house upstairs, really nice. So here we are, kind of the 4th level, it's a rooftop deck. Now what's neat about this is the views. Beautiful views of Anaheim. You're going to be able to see, you're going to hear probably some of the things from Angel Stadium. You're definitely going to see the fireworks. Lots of building going on. And you're not far from, as a matter of fact, this is kind of within the boundary, so to speak, of the new Vive development by the Samuelis, which is going to be $3 to $4 billion. Though this is not considered part, but you're right there. And so they're going to have a huge amount of shopping, huge amount of restaurants, a lot of entertaining. It's an up-and-coming area. So whether you're looking to make a move next 5 days, 50 days, further out, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'd love to help you make a smooth move to Irvine. Today we're in Anaheim and all surrounding communities here in Orange County.